take a look at our new Valtcan titanium click pen. Full titanium construction with a Paladin inspired clip that's stainless steel and is removable and adjustable. I'll disassemble this pen later and get a new refill in there after I run through this pen for you guys. So click mechanism is designed for quick deployment of your pen. Very satisfying, smooth click. Same finish as our titanium impel pen that I have here in space black. Design is also very similar, except we switched up the clip and the deployment mechanism. There's no tungsten steel head on this, so those that don't like it, you get this pen. Let's go to disassembly. Now this takes standard Parker G2 ballpoint pen refills. It unscrews in the middle, has a little washer here, and spring. Set this aside. Now to disassemble the top clip and click mechanism, you have to hold the clip in place with your fingers, and then right here you twist this nut at the end that holds the clip. Keep unscrewing it until it comes out. Here's the click mechanism and the clip. Again, you could bend this to make it more to your desired strength. Here's the barrel. Okay, I'm going to get my refill in here. These are for sale right now. Check them out. These will fit all our Valtcan pens. This is a water-based ink. Make sure to remove this plastic tip at the end so you can start writing. Okay. Assembly is very straightforward, simpler than the bolt one. Put the spring on the refill and then this half is assembled. After you get your clip to the way you want it, you put it here or any way you want. You hold it with your fingers. Back the clip mechanism and then start screwing it into place. Okay, and then screw the top back on and you're ready to go. Do a quick writing example for you guys. This is the Paladin titanium Okay. And while we're at it, let's get some measurements in here. Get my trusty scale. Weight of the pen is 1.33 ounces. 1 grams. It is 37.9 grams. So fairly lightweight for a very well constructed pen. And lengthwise, this is similar to the ball pen. So we have from tip to tip at just over 5.5 inches. I would say this is roughly 5.6 inches. Okay. When clicked, about the same. This would be 5.5. Okay. Designed for an everyday carry. This pen will last a lifetime. Very nice finish on it and smooth click action. It does come in a polished titanium finish as well. Check that out.